Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Sabaf Tutorials 2021. If today is your first time coming across my videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell as well. Okay, without wasting much time, today I'll be showing you guys how to earn 5 Ghana cedis every day. 5 Ghana cedis every day this festive period. On Telegram for free. You are not putting in any money on this. It's just free. It's free on Telegram. All you just need is just to have the Telegram app and then a link. Yes, the link for this free earning site is in the description of the video below. So without wasting much time, let's quickly go there now. So there's the link here right now. So as you can see here, Christmas giveaway, Xmas 5 CD bots. It's paying, and I'll show you guys proof here. So once you have the link now, the link is on the video description. Once you click on it now, it's going to take you to Telegram. But first of all, you should have the Telegram app on your phone. If you do not have the Telegram app, I'm sorry, you wouldn't be able to make this money. The lowest amount you can make is 5 Ghana cedis. So imagine if you are making 5 cedis every day for this number of days. I think it's something that you can also use to buy credits for yourself. So when you click on the link now, it comes and then you select its Telegram. So it opens now. So this is my Telegram. So once it's open, this page comes up. So you can see it's the Xmas 5 cedis bot, and they say, what can this bot do? This is a Christmas Telegram bot for making money. Try me out. To own a team is to own wealth. So what you just do is that you just click on this button here. You click on start here. Good. So once you click on start, good, so this place comes now. So you can see here now they are telling me that Joshua Bafakwen, you must join all our channels first. So this is just what you do. You just need to join these channels here. So there are about 10 channels here for you to join. It's just easy. You are not putting any money, just these channels, these 10 channels here you need to join. So how do you join these channels now? By just clicking on them and then clicking on join. So let's click on the first one now, which is Ghana News. So when I select Ghana News now, it loads for me and then it opens the page for me, the Ghana News page for me. So what I just need to do is just to click on this button down here, which is the join. I just click on join, that's all. So when I click on join, you can see that I have joined the page already. So what do I do now? I just go back. So once I've successfully joined, you can see that down here it's no longer written joined, it's now written mute. So what I just need to do is for me to go back to click this back button here now. So I just click on the back button to take me back to the bot page. So I'm done with the first. I do go to the second, Ghana Leaks. I go to the second, it loads. I click on join. Yes, so I've joined successfully. I go back, go to the third. I click on the third. This one, request to join channel. I click on it. So we are just clicking, you are just joining, that is all. So I'm done with that. I come to the next one, Netflix. I click on request to join channel, then it's gone. I click on the next one, which is Young Smile. I click on that, then click on join. So you are just joining, that is all. You are just joining. So we'll move to the next, which is Ghana Vibes. I just click on join. I click on join. I've joined, then I go back. I go to Clement Fix, request to join channel. I'm done with that. I go to the next channel, which is I'm Pregnant. I click on join. I go back. I move to Ghana Trends. I click on join. Good. Then I go back. Then I click on the last one, which is Goals and Stats. Then I click on join, and then I go back. So now we have joined all these 10 pages successfully. So the next thing we have to do now is to click on check. Click on this check. So please, you need to join these 10 channels first. So when I click on check now, it loads and then this page pops up now for me. So you can see now they said this bot is the fastest way of making money from Telegram for free this Christmas. Works in Ghana and Nigeria only. So these are the two countries only this thing works. So if you are not in Ghana or Nigeria, you can't do this. So it works in only Ghana and Nigeria. So this is a Christmas referral contest that everyone can partake in. So please, let's read this now. Let's take note of this. Said refer 5 people and get 5 Ghana cedis or 170 naira instantly. instant cash out. You can withdraw your money anytime. So what you just need to do here is just to refer 5 people, and then you get 5 Ghana cedis. Refer 5 people is not anything difficult. So what you just need to do, how do you refer now? You just click on this part here, get referral link. Get referral link. So this is get referral link here. You click on get referral link, you get your link there. So this is your referral link now, you see. So you can see total referrals is 0 users, free 10,000 Ghana cedis giveaway. Hurry, referral link this. So you just copy this. This is your referral link. So you copy this now, and then you can post it on social media, so your WhatsApp groups and places. So when you get 3 people who registers or who does the same thing that I just did here right now, you will be credited with 5 Ghana cedis. So how do you know you are credited now? By clicking on balance. So when you click on balance, you can see a full detail come. Joshua account balance is 0, total referrals is 0, because no one has used my link to join us. So you see that my referrals here would be what? 0. Yes. So what you just need to do is you just what? Click on the get referral link, copy your referral link, and go and paste them in on all your social media handles, WhatsApp groups and whatever. And when the people do the same thing or follow the same process you follow, if you get 3 people, you get 5 Ghana cedis, of which you can withdraw instantly without wasting time. It comes into your account instantly, 5 Ghana cedis. So imagine if you are able to get about 100 people, how much are you getting like that? So that's it, guys. It's real, it's real, it's real. I'll be showing you a proof here right now. Good. As you can see here now, I'm being told that your account balance must be 5 Ghana and above. So now you can see, okay, now they said state of balance was changed by +1. Current value is 1. User has joined the bot using your referral link. So total referrals 1. So now someone has joined using my referral link. So now I have 1 referral. So let's go to balance to check now. When I click on balance, you can see that I've been told that I have my account balance is 1 Ghana cedis, because somebody has joined. You see, 1 Ghana cedis is my referral, and my total referral is 1. So if I'm able to get about 2 more people to join, you realize that I'll be able to get 5 Ghana cedis. And then I'll be able to withdraw the 5 Ghana cedis. So that's how it works here. So you just need to copy your referral link and share it on various Telegram groups. When people join and do the same process, go through the same process you went through, they'll be able to you'll be credited. You get referral bonus, of which you can withdraw at any time at all. So that is it, guys. If you need some free money this Christmas, I think you should do this. It's working. There are a lot of proofs of payment. I'll show you some proofs of payment in the video as well. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.